Hey guys, today is Friday, March 26th, and I got this box in my darn good yarn. So let's see what's in here. I think this is box 28 or 29, but I think it's 28 if I'm not mistaken. So when you open it, here's what it has in there, and I kind of like that. Whoa. Sorry guys, y'all fell. Don't know if I can get y'all situated again. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and okay. All right, hopefully that'll stay up. So here is the yarn we get. It says sparkling Worcester weight silk yarn, Sunset Lovers. It is a 4 and it's 50 grams. It's got sparkles in it and it's called Sunset Lovers. And we got 2 of them, and they're the same kind. See? And here's what it says on the back. It says recommended hook. Needle is a 4.5, 5.5 millimeter. Hook is a 5.5, 6.5 millimeter. And it's weight 4, and it's 50 grams. And then we got the booklet. It says, hey there, we believe life is way too short to make boring projects. Congratulations on taking the first step to being an artist, artsy, interesting, and creative, empowered crafter. With your help, we're able to support sustainable and fair jobs around the globe, as well as serving over a million pounds of wasted material. In using those reclaimed fabrics and textiles, we are able to produce these truly one-of-a-kind products while protecting our planet. With this purchase, you have chosen to care about the globe and the people in it. Feeling excited and inspired about the month's project? Before you dive into this beautiful yarn world, we'd love to tell you a bit more about it. This monthly yarn features our sparkly worsted weight yarn. This cake of yarn is a luxe black yarn with pops of bright and bold colors like the very end of a sunset. We also added a little sparkle because, well, who doesn't love a little bit of glitter in their life? XOXO Nicole. And what you need to know, and then the stitch. The knitted pattern is a sunset pouch. The crochet pattern is an intermediate skill level, and it is a sunset pouch also. Sorry, guys. So it's Sunset Pouch. And then comments or questions. And then a thank you. So that is the box. And that is really pretty. I don't know if I'll do the Sunset Pouch because I just like to do the patterns in the book. I don't know when I'll get it done, but I do like getting it, like doing it. But I think we've already had this pattern. Well, not the, we've had a pouch, but we'll see what happens. And then I got in a book from the Voice of the Martyrs, and it is a book of Hearts on Fire. It's a book of martyrs, like people that have died for Christ. I'll read the back of it to y'all if y'all don't mind. Okay. It says, either you marry or you die. If you are a Christian, then there is no place for you in this city. You will die here alone. Tara's father, parting words brought only one thought to the mind of the 16-year-old girl. She must escape for her life. Beaten to the brink of death, Tara, the daughter of a prominent a Muslim, was locked in her room as a prisoner without food or medical attention, all because she was caught with a Bible. Tara's story is not unique among these 8 courageous women in Hearts of Fire. From the young Vietnamese girl who turns down freedom in order to evangelize the people of her communist homeland, to the Australian missionary who spreads the message of forgiveness and healing across India after her husband and son are buried alive by village zealots. Those women have overcome extreme adversity and emerged as leaders in ministry in the global body of Christ. The Voice of the Martyrs co-authors the bestseller of Jesus Freak and Extreme Devotions. I used to have Jesus Freak, but I gave it to my uncle and aunt, and then when they passed away, their daughter don't know what she did with it. Bring you the true stories of courageous Christian women, heroines of the faith who are representatives of countless women facing similar situations around the world. These role models of faith and passion will inspire you to pursue Christ from hearts aflame. This book I got for free when I ordered my devotionals, my prayer devotionals. But I think it's like $9 if you go to christianbooks.com. And it says, women have always been significant in the cause of Christ. Hearts of Fire thrillingly describes the work of 8 women whose mission continues to be telling the stories that He is risen, and with that resurrection comes love, grace, and forgiveness. Don't miss it. This is Mary Graham, President of Women of Faith. It says the Voice of the Martyrs is a non-profit, interdenominational mission organization that serves persecuted Christians around the world, founded in 1967 by Richard and Sabrina Worldbrand. VOW is dedicated to inspiring believers to deepen their commitment to Christ and to fulfill His greatest commission, no matter the cost. So here it is. And here it is. And it's just short stories like like the first one is Adele. That's that book. And whoa, you're falling in. I'm just not organized today. Sorry, guys. I'm never organized. What am I saying? Oops. So what am I saying? Okay. And then I got a couple of other things that were just, you know, that I got, like Planner Society had a woman stamp, and I had mentioned in the group that I liked it, and so a young lady sent it to me. And she also sent me these right here too. Aren't these cute? I love bookmarks. And here is the girl stamp. I love these girl stamps, and so I don't get Planner Society anymore because she frustrated me. I used to love that box, but I don't get it anymore. But here's this. Yay! I love those stamps. I wish I could have the whole collection. The old and new. And so when this one came out, I told the young lady, I told him, I said, "Oh, I wish I could get that one just for the stamps." And that girl said, "I don't use the stamps." And so she said, "I'll send it to you." So she sent it to me. And I just can't wait to use it. I love stamps. And I want that box again, but I know once I get it, she won't be getting the good stuff. And then my friend Dottie sells nails, and I love nails too, even though right now I don't have none. But so in here, you paid a price for a goodie bag, a mystery bag, and you got this stuff. So I got a nail pusher backer, a cuticle pusher, and it's pink. Yay! And then I got some candy. I bet these are good. I love candy, even though I shouldn't be having none. So you got 2 of those. And if you want to look for her, she's on Facebook, and her name is, and it's Dottie's Nails, and DOTIE Nails, NAILS, and it's just it's just color streets. And she has mystery bags for $30, and this is what you got in it. And look at these little socks. Aren't those so cute? And then you got 2 deals of nails. And so remember, if you want to see her, she's on Facebook, and it's Dottie, DOTTIE Nails. And just look her up. She's got her own page. And that's pretty much all that I have today. And I was so excited. I'm making scarves. And so this is one that I kind of started on. I need to go get some more yarn so I can finish it, because I don't know if it's long enough. No, because I want to make pockets, so it might not. I could always add some off-white. I'm not for sure yet. So I'll just check and see what I might want to do with it. And then I'm making another one. And it's exactly the same. It's from Nastasia, I think it is, but I'm not for sure what the pattern's called, but it's just a pocket scarf. It's an easy V stitch. And the hook is a 6.5, an I mean a K. Yeah, K. And then this one is from Bag of Day Crochet, and it is going to be a hooded poncho. And those are just a couple of stuff that I have on my hook, but I haven't finished. And then here is an elephant that I'm making for my cousin. Some of the body parts, but here's his face and his body. I just need to add on his legs. So that's some of the stuff I have on my hook. But I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks, bye, guys.